Hello, welcome to Africell Tips and Tricks new episode. Today, we're going to see how to extend the battery life of your smartphone and tablet. So, let's dive in directly. Set your screen brightness to the lowest level and enable auto brightness. Consider sorting your screen timeout and use dark mode display to save your battery life. Close unused apps and remove apps that you don't need as they consume power even when not in use. Limit post notifications for non-essential apps and restrict apps from using location services. Enable battery saving mode and check your battery usage regularly. Try to install the light version of app if available and avoid using wallpapers and animation themes. Use the right charger that came with your device and avoid overcharging. Try to keep your battery level between 20% and 80% to maintain battery health. Implementing these tips and tricks can help you extend the battery life of your smartphone and tablet. Apply them frequently. See you in the next episode.